that was a no bad burger.
At the right time, it was lovely. Glad I got the tea though.
Oh, aye, aye.
Hour and a half back.
Nice. Does it say how many miles?
50.
50.
We got photographs next to the A box.
Aye. Great roads, even better when they're empty.
Absolutely.
I'm sick of traffic like
It's just good to come away from the traffic, isn't it?
Aye. The city's an absolute joke.
Bypass just the news.
Oh, that was ridiculous, eh? Absolutely ridiculous.
You know what I've got on my screen? Bank card.
You're not. You're not.
Bank card, huh?
You're not.
I don't want a button, my bank card popped up.
You're not tanking it. You're banking it.
I need to judge the bends by the electricity cables.
Aye. Aye. There's always clues. There's always clues here. You just need to know what to look for. There's always a clue.
As well.
Was your Cardo app came up?
No, the boys, they had candles on.
Oh, did they?
Just let this past.
It's nice here, meh?
It's a bit tight, eh?
Just a bit, eh?
Reasons why you should stick to the speed limit, isn't it?
Nice house, that, eh?
It's definitely running a lot smoother.
Yeah. That'll run better with E5 in it as well.
$9,756.
You're getting there.
Well, 50 mile ago, so it'll be 9.8 by the time we get back.
And that's just 200 miles, eh? Which is nothing. Nothing at all.
Second exits. Is it? Right, up here.
Taking us on a wild goose chase.
Good hope not.
You know what's great about all this?
Oh,
There's no traffic lights.
no way. Up the bridges.
Apart from that, aye.
See, I've looked at this one before.
No, I don't think I've been on it either. That's another road ticked off the list.
Look on the left.
It's nice, eh?
Right. different, eh?
Mm-hmm. And you get a lovely concrete monstrosity bridge.
There's a stop sign up here. St Marys good, eh?
Mm-hmm. You've been on this road before?
I've been on this one now.
Mm-hmm. A7.
How many mile do you think we've done today?
77.
106.
Really?
Aye.
Wow. Stowe. Hello, Stowe. That's a fair bit of mileage, so it'll be about 150 when we get home.
140. Aye,
Oh.
near enough 150, aye.
Gave the bike a bit of rev looking at that ruin of that church. Willie sent me a message saying that we were a pair of p***s. I wonder who told him.
You said that to him.
I know, I wonder who told him that. He's just jealous. Because we're lapping it up and he's at work.
We've had 2 decent days. That'll be what, 114 plus 30, 150. 100 yesterday. That's 250 mile of the weekend.
Aye. Hola. Big nod there. I thought his head was going to fall off.
So, bikers make an effort, eh?
Aye. Wonder if he's got any sheep in the back of that.
Yeah.
Well, there's certainly no good horses in it, that's for sure. That's a
Just
definite.
wee pony.
Absolutely no chance of getting a giraffe in that.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's good to stand up. A wee stand up. Nah, tyre isn't even that warm. Neither's yours. That's how cold the roads are. Cold roads.
Zero, this is 100, you check up.
Loud and clear. Make sure that box is locked. It is.
Really?
Aye.
A nice wee stop.
Aye. Melt. Nice balancing skills there.
You're getting better by the day.
Lothian Bridge.
That's been a good run today, though.
Ah, it has been, eh?
Aye.
I've fairly enjoyed it. Ped. Second exit, straight ahead. I'm up and down this stretchy road all the time,
Silly Alec.
Oh, that's a neutral.
I keep pulling within third gear and it kind of hiccup. We can go left though, can't we?
Aye, we can take a left up at Dobies. Dobies. Get that. I think they would have lifted all the roadworks, the barriers. They've been there for weeks. That's where the butterfly farm was on the left there, the greenhouses.
Was it?
Aye.
What happened?
They shut it down now. It's been shut for years now. I went there when I was a wee laddie at school. Butterfly and reptile world. Might help if you put it up a gear, mate.